Can lecture notes help you overcome the forgetting curve? Imagine trying to remember a new recipe or a phone number. Without reviewing it, chances are you'll forget most of it pretty quickly. That's because of something called the forgetting curve. It shows how fast we lose new information if we don't actively work to remember it. Most forgetting happens within the first day or two after learning. Up to 75% of new material can be gone if you don't review it. Now, here's where lecture notes come into play. When you take notes during class, you're doing more than just copying words. You're actively engaging your brain. Writing helps you focus and process information more deeply. This makes the initial memory stronger and less likely to fade fast. After class, your notes become a personalized record. When you review them, you're giving your brain a second chance to lock in the information. Spaced repetition, or reviewing notes at different times, is a proven way to slow down the forgetting process. It's like watering a plant regularly so it keeps growing. Using your notes to test yourself by recalling facts without looking at the notes is called active recall. This method is much more effective than just rereading. It forces your brain to retrieve information and makes the memory stick. Well-organized notes also help you see how ideas connect. When you understand how concepts relate, it's easier to remember them long-term. Including keywords, summaries, or diagrams in your notes acts as memory cues. These cues make it easier to recognize and recall details during review. To make the most of your notes, review them within 24 hours after class. Then, plan follow-up reviews over days or weeks. Turning your notes into questions or flashcards can boost your active recall practice. Summarizing or rewriting notes in your own words deepens your understanding. Combining note review with other study methods like group discussions or teaching the material helps reinforce learning. So, in the end, lecture notes are more than just a record of what was said. They are a powerful tool to help you remember better and fight the natural decline of memory. When you use them actively and strategically, they can truly help you overcome the forgetting curve.